The first paired receiver becomes the primary receiver. It connects to the internet and allows devices to be connected to the mobile app. For a stable connection, it is recommended to place it as close to the Wi-Fi router as possible. Additional receivers become secondary and pair with the primary receiver. A maximum of 6 receivers can be paired with a single thermostat. To pair the receiver with the thermostat and set it as the primary receiver, press and hold the button on the receiver until the colors appear in the following order: purple, blue, and then green. Release the button as soon as the green color appears. The receiver is now ready to pair with the thermostat. A thermostat that has been reset to factory settings is already in pairing mode, so no additional setup is required. The pairing process may take up to 1 minute. The thermostat display shows the number of paired receivers, in this case, 1. Once the process is complete, the thermostat automatically returns to the home screen. On the thermostat of an already used heating system, press and hold the middle button until the menu appears. Click the left or right button to navigate to the additional menu in the top right corner of the screen, then press and hold the middle button until the next screen appears. Press and hold the middle button on the SP screen. The receiver pairing process has started, and the screen will display the number of found receivers. The thermostat will complete the process and return to the home screen once all receivers are found. To pair a group of receivers, first check whether they are in receiver pairing mode. INGENSO receivers come from the factory already in this mode. If they are not, we can reset them to factory settings to activate this mode. To pair the group of receivers with the thermostat, do the following. Press and hold the button on one of the receivers until the indicator turns green. When the green light appears, release the button. The receiver is now in thermostat pairing mode. After that, the devices will connect, and the thermostat will display the number of paired receivers. When the thermostat finds all receivers, the process automatically completes and returns to the home screen. Press and hold the middle button until the settings menu appears. Click the left or right button to navigate to the advanced settings menu in the top right corner of the screen, then press and hold the middle button until the next screen appears. Click the left or right button to find the FS option, then press and hold the middle button until only the FS option remains. Wait a few moments. The device will automatically reset to factory settings. Press and hold the button on the receiver until the colors appear in the following order: purple, blue, green, and then red. When the red color appears, release the button. Wait a few moments. The device will automatically reset to factory settings.